Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about this and that. But first, let's go over new words. Door, door. Window, window. Calendar, calendar. Pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener. Paper clips, paper clips. Clock, clock. Workbook, workbook. Picture, picture. We have door, window, calendar, pencil sharpener, paper clips, clock, workbook, picture. So today we're talking about this, and that. That. If you can touch it, if it's close and you can touch it, you say this. If it's far and you can't touch it, you say that. That. What is this? This is a m. So it's what is this? This is a m. This is a door. This is a door. This is a picture. This is a picture. This is a clock. This is a clock. This is a calendar. This is a calendar. So they can all hold them. They're close and they can touch them. So it's this. Now that. What is that? That is a What is that? That is a What is that? That is a workbook. That is a workbook. What is that? That is a pencil sharpener. That is a pencil sharpener. What is that? That is a window. That is a window. So if it's far away and you can't touch it, it's that. That.